Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing household appliances as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into the Maytag Washer F35 error code, specifically for 2025 models. If your washer is flashing that pesky F35 code, it usually means there's an issue with the pressure switch or the water level detection system. Basically, your machine isn't sensing the water levels correctly. Don't panic. This is a common problem that you can often fix at home with a few simple steps. First things first, safety is key. Start by unplugging your washer from the wall to avoid any electrical mishaps. Once that's done, let's get our hands dirty. Grab a flashlight and check the drain hose for any clogs or kinks. Over time, lint, debris, or even small items can block the flow, triggering the error. If you find something, carefully remove it and give the hose a good rinse with water. Next, inspect the pressure hose connected to the switch. This little tube can get blocked or damaged, so make sure it's clear and not cracked. If it looks okay, you might need to test the pressure switch itself. This involves using a multimeter to check for continuity. Don't worry if you're new to this, I'll walk you through it. Set your multimeter to the ohms setting, disconnect the switch wires, and probe the terminals. If you don't get a reading, the switch is likely faulty and needs replacement. Head to your local appliance store or order a new pressure switch online. It's usually an affordable part. Install it by reversing the steps you took to remove the old one, then plug in your washer and run a test cycle. Fingers crossed, that should clear the error. If the problem persists, it might be a more complex issue like a faulty control board, and that's when I'd recommend calling in a professional technician. There you have it, a straightforward guide to fixing your Maytag Washer F35 error code. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning your filters can prevent this from happening again. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more handy tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.